Because there's two kinds of money, and almost everybody chases the wrong one. Now, the first kind is cash flow, money that comes in and it pays your life. Mailbox money, the dream that everybody has. That could be for some of you your paycheck. Maybe some of you have like rental income. You have stocks that pay dividends, things like that. And it feeds you today. It's fine. It feels like it's wealth coming in, but it's not. It's the kind of money that keeps you alive, but it's not the kind that makes you free. The second kind is equity. Second kind is equity, and equity is ownership. The thing itself growing in the background that you never have to sell in order to benefit from. Now, cash flow is rented, but you see, equity is owned. And the wealthy, they're obsessed with equity, with the second one. All right. more than their entire restaurant makes. McDonald's biggest business is being a landlord. They own the land under more than half the stores, and the buildings on 80% of them. The burgers are just the cash flow. The real estate is the equity, and the equity is where the wealth actually lives. So when you look at McDonald's, you're not looking at a restaurant. You're looking at one of the biggest real estate empires in the world, and they just happen to have a drive-through attached. Now, let's bring that home. The cash flow is the part that you can see. It's the part that you can spend. But the equity is the part that actually makes you wealthy while you sleep. Now, most people spend their whole life optimizing for the first one, right? Chasing a bigger paycheck. They chase, better dividends, more cash flow, and they never build the second one. They never own the thing. Now, you don't want to be the guy that's flipping burgers for cash. You want to own the land underneath. So that's law number 3, equity over cash flow.